kaya ito? Oh, look at that! Napanood niya. What are you watching?
The Darlings vlog.
Oh, ayan. Naka-upload ko lang siya kagabi. Good morning, guys. Nagluluto ako ng breakfast ngayon. By the way, kahapon lang kami nakauwi. Kahapon ang gabi. Galing kami, yun nga, namundok kami. Galing kami ng camping. Tapos, tignan nyo naman, ang dami agad package na dumating kahapon. Ay, nung tama isang araw, nung wala kami ng isang gabi. Ayan agad yung mga dumating. Unbox natin yan mamaya, guys. So, paglulutuan ko muna si Taris ng pancake. And mag-aalmusal muna kami. Makain kami. Walang kasawang-sawang pancake. Napanood niya. What are you watching?
The Darlings vlog.
Oh, ayan. Naka-upload ko lang siya kagabi. Kinsley! Ay, grabe talaga. Pagod yan siya. Tapos, grabe yung tulog niya kagabi. Sobrang haba. Kain tayo, guys! Hi, guys. So, i-unbox natin tong mga package na dumating. When did they deliver this?
While we were camping?
Oh, isang araw lang yun. Just for one day, and we have a lot of package. So some of these packages came from mom, and then some of these packages came from one of our followers. She's very supportive and so kind. She sent us lots of baby toys already. She bought it from our registry.
She's gonna need toys, that's for sure.
Yes. So now we're gonna unbox
Right.
first this one.
Ooh,
What is this?
I wanna see.
Let's see.
Wonder if it's for me.
Oh, it's a
Kinsley.
toy.
Hey, come here.
Oh, look at this. I think this is from her, that one of our followers on Facebook.
Let me see.
Pacifier.
Those are the dental ones, right?
They're up to
Yeah.
6 months. Oh, there's a toy. Look. Aw. Thank you so much, Miss
Thank you.
Noemi. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this
We're gonna have
toy.
to make sure Kinsley don't get a hold of this.
Oh, yeah. Maybe Kinsley will think, oh, mommy, is that my toy?
Is this got measurements on it?
Yeah, I don't know what is that for. Okay, next one. Meron tayong ito. Ano kayang laman? Ano natin ang laman? Oh, it looks like another toy. Wow, another toy. Grabe,
Ooh.
look at that.
Oh, nice.
From her again.
Wow.
From Miss Noemi. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
We appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Eliana's gonna love it.
Oh, it looks the same though.
I don't think it is. I think it's a little different. Yeah, this one
Aray,
has.
aray.
This one's like the caterpillar one.
Oh. Ayan o. Ayun yung isa.
Cool.
Tapos, eto, in-order ko to sa Amazon. So, ito yung parang mga towels na pwede namin magamit kay Eliana. And then, babe, can you grab that box, please? Open naman natin tong isa. We'll see. Oh, parang may gift wrap sa loob, babe. Merong gift wrap! Ano kaya ito? Oh, look at that! Let's see. And there's a card. Oh my gosh, is this from her too? That's crazy. Can you open it?
Yeah.
Another toy. What's the name?
Yep. From.
From Noemi?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ang dami ng toy ni baby. Thank you. And meron pang isa. Tignan natin. Tignan natin. Does she have like address there or no?
But you can go on the registry and
Check it.
do like a thank you.
Okay. And we have this. What is this? Oh, I like this one.
It's themed.
Yeah, look. The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
Hey, I think I know this from when I was little. Yeah. Let me see.
Lindsay, stop smelling my butt. That's cute.
Yeah, so yeah, it goes through different. Yeah, this is the Hungry Caterpillars one
Yeah.
that, like when I was little.
Yeah.
Because then it teaches you like strawberries, blueberries.
Thank you
pears.
so much, Miss Noemi. You sent us a lot of gift for Eliana, and she already sent for the baby shower, and then she sent us another stuff for Eliana. And these are all toys, and then my pacifier then.
Look.
That's cute, yeah.
Because the caterpillars eats through things.
Yeah.
Yeah, funny. I like it.
Grab the Annabelle.
I'm reminiscing back when I was little because it was a long time ago.
Like how old are you?
I remember that.
back then?
34 years ago, babe.
34 years ago.
Yeah, I was 0.
I think this is from mom.
No, I think this is from me.
You bought this?
Yeah, I think I bought it for you. Yeah, it's for you.
Oh.
Oh, it's for
My
you.
husband bought me a tea.
So that's your pregnancy tea
Yep. Ano
for
to?
when you do the.
Raspberry leaf tea. So I'm gonna start drinking this maybe on my 34 weeks.
Yeah.
And then my ginger. Oh, why did you buy this ginger?
But this is special. You see, look, it's ginger leaves. It goes
Lemon, ginger.
and it goes with this.
Lemon, ginger, turmeric. Ano to? Lemon, ginger,
And
turmeric.
turmeric. Yep. And it goes with this. So you put this on the actual stove and it infuses it rather than keep.
Stove? Oh, and the
Yeah,
stove.
it's a stovetop tea kettle that you put the leaves inside the infuser.
Nice. So you can do that. You can do the same thing with this.
No, this is just bags. I couldn't
Tea
find
bags?
this. I couldn't find that recipe in
Okay.
loose leaves.
Alright, meron tayong tea and bumili si Daddy Travis ng teapot.
I think this is probably from mom.
Okay, just open it.
You open it. But she said we have to wrap it for Christmas.
Yeah. Mom sent us a lot of gifts. Thank you, Mama Karen. Okay. Do you want me to open this or no?
Yeah, you can open it, but if it is what I think it is, then we'll just close it back up and you'll wrap it up for Christmas.
Yeah. Okay.
Even though I think I know.
Even though you think
I think I might know.
you already knew.
Oh crap, I don't know.
There's another box. Ang dami na nating box. Oh, I know she ordered.
It's
yeah.
from mom.
From mom for Eliana.
Those are glass though,
Oh yeah, this
right?
is glass.
That should be glass.
Yeah, this is glass.
Yeah, these are glass. These
Binili ni Mama
these are
Karen.
nice. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, Grandma. Eliana's
Oh my
gonna
gosh.
love it. Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
She bought us a lot. And then this one, this is a gift from her for our Christmas gift now. So we're gonna wrap this.
That's gotta be
Yeah.
a Christmas gift.
So that's all for all the packages that we got just last yes, I think that was yesterday. So gulat ako, ang daming package sa labas ng pinto namin. Isang araw lang yun. Pero kasi bumili rin kami ng iba. Babe, I think I ordered some more but it didn't came yet.
Here you go.
Yeah, may in-order pa kami ni Travis, hindi pa siya dumating kasi nag-order kami ng Black Friday nga. What is this? Oh, maybe this one. Panda towel. Ano to? Washcloth. Ayan. Hip Hop Panda washcloth. Ayan. In-order ko talaga yan para kay baby. Ito lang dalawa in-order ko. Tapos yung iba regalo na ni Mama Karen and then from Ate Noemi and then yung teapot, yung tea bags. Ano yan ni Travis, in-order niya. So ayun, thank you guys sa pag send po sa amin. Thank you Mama Karen, thank you Miss Noemi. Thank you so much. Sa mga gift na binigay mo po, maraming salamat. You sent us a lot of toys for the baby and we really appreciate that. So we'll just keep this in the baby room. I still have to fix her. I still have to organize her baby room because right now it's all still, We still didn't organize anything, so just the baby crib.
We'll be getting.
Because we are waiting for the carpet. We order a carpet from Amazon kasi nga nag-sale din siya Black Friday. Tapos in-order ni Travis.
We'll be getting the
Carpet.
Yeah.
Maybe this week, ayun. So, ikakabit namin siya, inaayusin namin. So, itong mga gift, ilalagay ko doon sa room ni baby. Alright guys, so lalagay natin yung gamit ni Eliana. Can you open it or no?
No.
Lagay natin yung gamit ni baby. Andito lahat nakatambak yung mga gamit niya. Ayan, yung mga gamit niya. Tapos nandyan sa drawer yung mga damit niya. Andito sa drawer yung mga damit niya, yung mga pampers, tapos ibang pampers, tapos yung mga damit niya nandyan. Tapos meron din kami nilagay dyan sa loob. And by the way, I wanna show you guys the boots na binigay ng Auntie Sophie niya. Tignan nyo naman, napaka-cute, oh. Binigay ng Auntie Sophie niya. Kinsley, no? Ito ko rin nilagay ibang mga gamit. So, wala pa si Eliana, hindi pa dumating. Ito, mga resibo lang yan. Tapos, hindi pa siya dumating. Ang dami niya ng gamit. So, 3 months pang preparation. She already have a lot of gifts.
Oh yeah, this room will be decked out.
Yeah, ayan yung mga iba niyang gamit. Tapos, lalagyan namin ng carpet dito, guys, pag dumating na yung carpet. Etong baby crib, baka hindi pa niya magamit. Maybe she will use this around 6 months.
No, she'll probably use this at like 2 or 3.
2
It
to 3
depends
months?
It depends on how long she's gonna be in a bassinet.
Right, right.
And then but we need to get her used to sleeping in here.
Yeah.
Like, it's big enough, we'll put the sheet on it.
Because she can use this until how old, babe?
Well,
Because you can
this is up
adjust
high.
this.
When she starts crawling, I need to lower this so she can't fall out.
Right.
So I'll lower this down, but as she's an infant, she can't really move.
Yeah.
So she's just gonna sleep right there.
Right. So yun guys, yung vlog natin for today. Thank you so much po sa mga nag-send ng gift kay Mama Karen and then kay Ate Noemi. Maraming salamat po sa pag-send ng mga regalo para sa baby namin. We really appreciate you po. So yun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!